Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make your Canva storybook into an interactive flipbook using Heyzine Flipbook in Canva. First, log into your Canva account and open your storybook design. Make sure your pages are properly aligned and finalized before exporting into a flipbook. Now let's export your storybook. Click on Share button at the upper right corner. Scroll down to see more options. Look for Heyzine Flipbook. When using Heyzine for the first time, it will appear under the More option. If you have previously used it, it will appear under Design. Click on the Heyzine Flipbook. Choose all of the pages you want to have in your flipbook, including the back cover. Then click the Save button. After you've saved, Canva will generate a link to your Heyzine Flipbook dashboard. Click View in Heyzine Flipbook. If you do not have an account, simply sign in using your email address. Customize your flipbook by changing the background, adding page-turning sound effects, and even embedding music or videos. There are many page flip effects you can use, but I always use magazine effect for my storybooks. When you're happy with how it looks, click Publish or Share in the upper left corner. You'll get a unique link you can share or even embed it on your website or blog. Copy the reader link and share it with anyone who you wants to view your flipbook. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please support us by hitting like button. See you in my next video.